What's up, guys? Today is a working day. So I bought this Jeep Cherokee two-door kind of a long time ago now, a couple months ago, and I bought it for like 700 bucks, and this is why it was only 700, right? So a little ahead of y'all, I pulled this yoke off and they snapped off every single bolt in that hoe. So we're gonna get a new one of those. Got it off the rear end. I was down here though, and you guys tell me what's missing. Huh? Cause I think I'm missing some rear shocks there, buddy. And then drive shaft is missing right now, but it's in there. I got that. So that's not a big deal. Got some gnarly super swampers on this thing though. Gotta love them boggers. TSL super swamper boggers. A little dusty. She's been sitting out in the field for a while. I got this thing from Illinois. She's not too pretty, but she's a two-door. And I mean, she's got some rust spots, but for a Cherokee, this thing's pretty fucking solid. Pretty solid, you know. She's got surface rust, but the floor is starting to cave out on me here. That's not great. That's right in the driver's side. But it'll buff. Exhaust, I guess right now is straight pipe. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that is just hanging. That's wonderful. I don't know why they did that. And then finally, we have this little bit of, I don't even know what you would call that. Screwed uppery. Redneck science gone wrong. So we gotta weld that up. But other than that, she's a manual, 4.0, inline 6, two-door. Can't beat this thing. Alright, so the parts stores didn't have what I needed. At least they didn't have it today. So I went out in my own junkyard and we found the exact part we need. So that's sweet. Now we just need bolts, straps, and a seal possibly. But we're on the way to greatness.
Dylan forgets to record.
We're tapping these holes out with a 1/4-28 tap because this U-joint this yoke we found on an old rear axle sitting in the weeds. Just trying to clean up the threads so that we don't snap nothing when we put it back together.
Yep, pretty much. Got parts, tools. Jeep.
Parts, tools, Jeep.
That's all we need. Alright, so.
Okay, so we think this seal's supposed to go in here, but it doesn't really look like the old one.
It'll fit. We'll make it fit.
Is it going?
Doesn't look like it.
Adam!
Well, it's staying up now.
Watch out.
Oh yeah, it moved now. Yeah, I told you, buddy. What? Like that's mint.
No, it's not on there far enough.
Okay, but it's flipping moving. Perfect.
How do we know when it's on far enough?
When it stops moving.
I can't tell if it's moving.
It's still moving.
Is it?
Yeah. I think we're good. Look at that.
Well, we'll see.
Dude, it's too perfect not to be right. You probably should have
What did I
cleaned.
do with the yoke?
Probably should have cleaned the outside a little better, but.
Do you remember what I did with the yoke?
No, why are you walking around with it, dude?
Well, we were looking for a... Oh, here it is. So what, now I beat this one on too?
Should just push in, I think. You're definitely crooked. You're 100%.
Oh. Yeah. Our seal's all fucked up.
Was it from you going in crooked?
Adam.
Oh my gosh.
The spring around the outside of the seal keeps like popping out when the seal folds in and then the spring pops out.
Yeah. I think it's doing it again. It's folded in.
Is it?
Pretty sure.
You watched it?
I think so. It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, it is kind of hard to see, ain't it? Am I just mentally challenged or what?
Probably a little bit of both.
At least you're honest.
No? Probably should have watched the YouTube video.
Yeah, probably.
I'd say we're this deep into it, though.
I'd say
Just impacted on.
exactly. I think that's how it was designed to be.
I don't think it was, dude.
This whole hammer and
They didn't
socket.
even have impacts
I think
back then,
I think
dude.
you've been steering me wrong the whole time. That's what's the problem.
No,
here.
you're definitely not supposed to impact them on.
Why?
And you definitely don't want to hit the yoke with a hammer.
I'm not hitting the yoke with a hammer. I'm hitting it with impact.
Yeah, I know, but I don't think you're supposed to, like, technically supposed to do that.
Technically, why?
I mean, I don't know.
Exactly.
Guess we'll
Propaganda.
find out,
I think that
dude.
was Russian propaganda, dude.
No.
What do the Russians know about our Chryslers? Nothing.
They didn't even have impacts back then.
Back then, dude, it was 1995, not the Stone Age.
They didn't have those, bro.
Maybe not battery, but air.
No.
This is just the part where she's gonna impact that seal on here for us.
Something like that.
Something like that. Here we go.
I guess that kind of worked.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Ooh, wait a minute. Too much.
What do you do? Maybe that's why it broke. The whole seal is spinning and everything, dude.
We didn't put that. That seal is not right. That's what our issue is. That seal is not fucking right.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Yeah, now did we just fuck it up by doing what we just did? Because it spun before.
Yeah.
And it spins now. This thing is all nasty. Doesn't sound too good in there, does it?
That's what I was wondering. I think it's the brakes. Seems like no matter how much we work on this thing, we don't really ever accomplish anything.
Anything at all?
No.
I completely agree with that statement.
Maybe we just find out more that's fucked up.
What if it's like your Jeep and they welded it and it broke and now all the chunks are just keeping it?
That could be. So Dylan's a dummy.
You see this right here? This is the right seal. We had the wrong seal.
You want to tell him why?
Yeah, I told him, I thought that this had a Dana 44 in the rear, but it's actually a Dana 35. And that was our problem. The rear end is probably A-okay, other than the little bit of
Now you get the socket and taper in there.
rattling we heard going down in there. But see, and I don't think we need this big of a, oh, actually we still do. Look at that, dude. And that's what happens when you have the right seal instead of the wrong seal.
You ain't lying.
This baby, do something like that. Let's get her lined up here. Oh! Oh!
See, that's how it should go.
Oh, buddy! See how easy that just went down?
I know, that's how it's supposed to go.
And look,
but...
the rear wheels still turn. Dude, everybody watching this video is gonna think these guys are idiots.
Yes.
But, you know.
Why are you putting that in before you have the rear cover off it?
They didn't have a gasket for the rear cover. They said they had to special order it and it was like 20.
Well, then take it off, use silicone.
Alright, so I shouldn't put this, well, I put the seal on already.
Did you clean it out in
Yes, I cleaned it out. I wiped it out with a rag and I
there?
picked.
Fit the yoke?
Yep, it fit perfect.
Move that thing up and down.
What, this?
Bearings are shot in there.
Oh, listen to this.
Yeah, we were hearing some gnarly sounds coming out of it when we turned it.
Yeah.
Listen
Oh,
while
it did.
Adam turns it.
Wow. Brakes are all gone.
Well, you put your head up there, you can hear something in there.
Junk.
Most likely.
Go show him the drive shaft that we broke.
Yeah,
you broke it.
My dad.
I don't think we really broke the drive shaft, did we?
Oh, we broke it.
Oh yeah, it is broke.
Chris, help me find some electrical tape.
So you broken. But they're gonna cut that one, put it on that one, make two drive shafts into one. Oh yeah, anyways, to the battery. So we got the drive shaft done. Now he's doing something with this. Looking for electrical tape.
We made new connectors, or we went and bought new connectors, and now we're putting them on.
But in the process, he cut one other wire.
Yeah, this one down here.
You got painter tape?
I twisted it back together, that's why we need electrical tape. But
Flex seal it.
Apparently we don't have any at all. So
Oh, dude, right there. Literally.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. Told to give an update. I'm going to get some pizza. Chris wants to go to Yankee Springs.
It's gonna be a good time. And we got a battery in. Ta-da!
Yep, battery's in. Somewhat.
That ain't going nowhere.
Hood's probably not gonna close.
Frickin'
And Dylan's driving this to Yankee.
American Engineering.
what?
Oh
Front
no,
wheel
he's
drive
taking
only.
the Ranger, I forgot.
Front wheel drive only.
I ain't driving nothing to Yankee.
Dude, why not, dude? I'll take the Power
I've seen an
Stroke.
S10 go through Yankee before.
If anything, I'd be firing up the old blue Cherokee, but it doesn't even have, or blue Grand Cherokee, but that don't even have good tires on
There ain't nothing out there, bro. It's all packed dirt, dude.
it. Heck, dirt, what?
Except for the double soup bowl, maybe.
Yeah, but it hasn't really. Well, I guess it rained a couple days ago, but it's been pretty dry lately. So, and plus, like, we don't have to hit that thing.
Yeah.
Either. Like that's
That's, well,
it's sticking above the post.
I like the hood pins, dude. Hood pins are where it's at. Oh, you're definitely hitting because this side's already down. Look, you could put.
Jump on it.
No.
no, wouldn't crack my brand new battery. So what did we do? We got the rear yoke in today. We changed the seal. We got the crushed donut in the exhaust
And somewhat
and
fixed the battery.
bolted back up. And we unrigged the battery and rigged it ourselves.
Now it's time for pizza. Pizza poppin' pilly, dude.
You guys ever put the airbox back on?
I mean, it was way worse.
Yeah, that's what I said. This thing's a freaking unit, dude. This is what you call a toy hauler, toy mover right here. Needs project moved out of the way. Grab the Dodge, forklift thing to the digger.